I've created an app that makes it quick and simple to run Bibliometrix/BiblioShiny. Now, Bibliometrix is a very popular tool for students, academics, and researchers that want to analyze their corpus of citations or literature. It is widely used in scientific analysis, bibliometric analysis, and so on. However, a problem is that it can be a little bit difficult to run if you haven't used R previously. You need to install RTools, and then run some scripts each time you want to run Bibliometrix. With my app, all you do, download the app, install it, run the app, and Bibliometrix runs for you. No more installing various R scripts, and so on. So go along to the GitHub release page, and I'll put the link in the description of this video. Download the latest version. Then, once it's downloaded, install it on your computer, just accepting the defaults. Then, when you double click, it'll open up Bibliometrix, and it'll keep up to date with the latest version of Bibliometrix. So no more downloading R, running R scripts, and so on. Thank you for joining me.